Instacart pay is not hourly, and most shoppers earn from a combination of batch pay, mileage, heavy item adjustments, and customer tips that change from order to order. By the end, you'll understand how Instacart actually builds each payout, why two shoppers can work the same hours and earn very different amounts, and what usually drives higher or lower earnings. Start with how pay works. Instacart pays per batch, not per hour. A batch is one or more grocery orders grouped together into a single trip. Each batch shows a total payout before you accept it. Now, look at what makes up that payout. Batch pay is the base amount Instacart assigns for the delivery. Tips are added by the customer and can make up a large portion of total earnings. Extra adjustments can appear for distance or heavier orders, depending on the job. Now look at why hourly earnings vary so much. Your hourly income depends on how quickly you can complete batches. If you accept back-to-back orders, your earnings increase because you stay active. If you wait between batches, your hourly drops because that time isn't paid. Now look at order availability. Busy store areas and peak shopping times create more batch offers. That means less downtime and more consistent earnings during those periods. Slower times can lead to long gaps where you are waiting for new batches. Now look at tips, which are a major factor. Tips can vary widely based on order size and customer behavior. Two shoppers completing similar work can still earn very different totals, depending on tipping. Now, here's what most people miss. Instacart rewards speed and order selection more than anything else. Shoppers who accept efficient batches and avoid long wait times between orders usually see more stable hourly performance. Now the simple breakdown. Instacart does not guarantee hourly pay. Your real hourly earnings depend on three things: batch frequency, order size, and how much time you spend waiting between offers. Now the takeaway. Instacart can feel strong when batches are steady and you stay moving. It can feel slow when there are gaps between offers or low tipping orders in your area. The same schedule can produce very different results depending on demand patterns. Next step, track your active working time versus waiting time for a few shifts, so you can see how much unpaid downtime is affecting your real hourly rate. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps, delivery platforms, and real earning platforms without hype or confusion.